Good evening, boys and girls. Our story today is Mr. Wiggles' book, and it's by Paula Craig and Carol Thompson. And this book is about how to take care of library books, which you know is important to me. I am Mr. Wiggle. This book has made me cry. If you turn the page for me, I will show you why. Yeah, he's very sad. Wait until you see why. Someone came to read my book. Someone was not kind. Someone read with dirty hands and left these marks behind. Yeah, if you have dirty hands, you're going to smear the book. So make sure you have clean hands when you read. Someone stood upon my book to reach a high up shelf, and now the book's a dirty mess, and I'm beside myself. Yeah, no standing on books. Someone came to read my book. Someone liked to scribble. Someone colored with a crayon and saddened Mr. Wiggle. We do not color in library books. Never. Someone came to read my book and left it on the floor. Then someone walked away with it and I can't find it anymore. Yeah, books on the floor, not a good thing. Should put them in a safe place. Someone read my book outside. Then it began to pour. The pages became blurry and I can't read them anymore. Yes, so don't take the books out in the rain. Someone came to read my book. Someone spilled a drink. Now the wet and sticky book will need repair, I think. Well, depending on what kind of liquid. If it's water, sometimes we can save it. If it's juice or soda pop, usually the book goes moldy and we can't save it. So, no drinks except you have a water bottle. Whoa, let me grab it. Unless you have a water bottle like me that closes and you don't get all wet. All right. I tried to say I love my book. I wish that you did too. But someone was too busy pasting paper with some glue. Yeah, don't be gluing stuff in my books. No glue, no scissors. Someone came to read my book. Someone was not nice. Someone tore this page, you see. They even tore it twice. Now this is just a drawing for in the book. Wait until later. Wait until later in the story. I'll show you. Someone came to read my book while eating marmalade. Someone tried to wash it off, but what a mess that made. Marmalade is like jelly. You have jelly, jam, marmalade. It's kind of all the same, kind of like cousins. Someone came to read my book. Someone was not smart. Someone writing on this page broke my little heart. Yeah, we don't draw, color, write, paste. Not in library books. Someone came to read my book, but soon ran out of time and left a pencil mark to mark the place, which damaged the book's spine. See how the spine here is ripping? This part is the spine of a book. Now let me show you something. Let me set my book down. Let me grab this one. This is a person, and this is the spine in a person. It's what helps us stand up tall, sit up nice. If you didn't have your spine, everything would fall apart, okay? And you would be a blob on the floor. So you need a spine. And just like you need a spine, a book needs a spine. If this isn't here, the book falls apart, and we don't want that. So no pencils for bookmarks. Someone came to read my book but made some holes instead. Wiggle the bookworm did it, is what someone said. Do you think he made holes? Someone came to read my book. Someone stopped right here. Instead of using a bookmark, the page was bent, I fear. My husband does that. He takes the corner of the page and bends it rather than using a bookmark. If you use a bookmark, you put that in, you close the book, and when you're ready, you just use that. It opens it straight back to the page you were. And these bookmarks are even cooler. They have this little, I'll show you, this little flap, And what's neat about that, if I can do this, it hooks on. So even the bookmark doesn't fall out. Isn't that cool? So Mrs. Heine has some bookmarks here in library. If you need a bookmark, let me know. I will get you one. Don't bend the corners. Someone came to read my book. When someone was through, someone forgot to turn it in, and now it's overdue. Yeah, if you don't bring a book back, nobody else gets to enjoy it. Sharing is caring, so bring them back so someone else can have it. Take two. When you come to read my book, will you be my friend? Will you take good care of it from the first page to the end? I hope so. Someone didn't take care of this book. Wait till you see. Remember, my name is Mr. Wiggle. I am the library bookworm. I want all the books in good shape to check out when it's your turn, which is true. We want that for everyone to enjoy the books. So take good care of books so they stay in shape. That makes me smile to think of all the great book friends you will make. Now, if you notice something a little strange going on here, look what happened. Somebody ripped the book about taking care of books. They tore this book. Can you believe it? I can kind of read it. So if you want to be my friend in this book, don't sign your name. Don't rip it. You have made me happy. I'm so very glad you came. Isn't that a cute book? Except for the fact that somebody ripped it. So, make Mr. Wiggle and me happy and take really good care of your library books. Okay? Because we want to be able to share with everybody. All right. So, Mr. Wiggles and I say good night, sleep tight. Till next time. Bye now.